Yo, what's up guys? I know it's been a while, but we're here with our second month update of our worm bin starting on week 5. So we got 2 batches of about a pound each. Tomatoes, steamed broccoli, and carrots. Stuff we had in the fridge for a while that went bad. And we only blended half of it to see which would get eaten up better. This was around the 15th of May and our worms are doing great. And I know a lot of you guys been asking for updates, so I know we're kind of behind, but we'll get back on track soon, don't worry. So for our little experiment, in one corner we added some cardboard, veggie slurry, some cardboard for a nice garnish, and a little eggshell seasoning. So we know it'll be pretty wet, so we added some extra cardboard. Let us know down in the comments, what do you add when you get a wet worm bin? And to remember which side we fed them next time, we put this cute little gem over here. 100% sure it's a legit sapphire. Week 6, we came back and we saw some of our worms were climbing out. Back to the party, little buddy. And so we wanted to ask, what are these things on our worm bin wall? Please comment below. We see them once in a while and think they're worm castings, but not quite sure. Anyways, check out where we fed them last. The slurry's completely gone, but there's still some whole tomatoes left. And the worms are looking pretty good. Well, as good as worms can look, I guess. But we also noticed that our bin looks kinda wet, so we only added cardboard. The smell was also a little stronger than usual, which could be a sign of it going anaerobic, so to prevent that, we just gave it a little mix to aerate it. One of the biggest problems in worm farming is overfeeding, so we only gave cardboard this time, and then wiped down the sides, and that's it for week 6. Now week 7, we got a beautiful meal for them. About 2 pounds total of cucumber skin, banana peels, and papaya skin. So we got some sprouts growing here, probably from the tomatoes. I think that just means our compost is pretty healthy. We really don't want anything sprouting here though. But if you are interested on how to grow sprouts in 5 days, check out our last video that just popped up on the screen. I'll also leave a link in the description. Now check out those worms. Looks like they're loving life. Even though they're supposed to be red wigglers, we think they're a mix. How could you guys tell between red and blue wigglers? For this week's food, we just blended it all because it seems like they like it better. And of course, we seasoned it with some eggshells and put a lot of cardboard. And don't forget to cover the food well. You don't want it to stink up and attract other pests. Week 8, we got mango skins, banana peels, banana, more banana, cucumber, more mango, and onion scraps. In total, about 1.5 pounds. We also got about 12 ounces total of sweet potato skins, some green onion, and green bean ends. So our worm bin looks pretty good. Bin's not too wet since there's still dry cardboard, but it looks like I just interrupted a worm party. And then I just threw the food in there with some eggshell seasoning, and we didn't blend it because we're going on vacation, so we wanted it to last a little bit longer. And of course, we got to cover it nice, and we added some water since it's a relatively dry meal this time. Also a good time to wash this nasty glove I got. So after this, watch another one of our videos and subscribe for more vermicompost updates and other gardening videos. See you next time!